You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. As long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Alam ko, ito na yung pinakahihintayin yung video. I've been reading all your messages on how to file a tax. Can you make a video na step-by-step tutorial? Also, what is the best software to use? Also, when is the right time to file the tax? And may nakukuha din akong messages na sila pa yung may utang sa IRS. Maybe mali yung software na nagamit nyo, or when you were filing a tax, mali yung pagka-indicate nyo ng numbers. That's why it resulted you to an inaccurate tax return, or maybe the IRS might subject you to penalty. So in this video, I'll be answering your top 5 main questions regarding how to file a tax, and also I'll be telling you which software to use, and I'll be guiding you step by step. The last part, I also have a tutorial para makapag-file kayo properly, and also I have a promo code para meron kayong 10% discount when filing your tax. So many J1 visa holders are still kind of confused on how to file a tax. It is very important to file using the right tax platform. There are softwares for residents and non-residents. Now, if you filed for TurboTax, that is only for residents. So this online platform that I'll be sharing with you is J1 Summer Taxback. Take note guys, this is not only for J1. As long as you're a non-resident, you can use this platform. Pwede dito yung work and travel, summer counselor, student visa, intern, or trainee. So now, here are your top 5 questions. First question. Why do I have to pay tax? So, paying tax here in the US is required by law. So, kahit saan ka ditong state sa US, while you're having your internship, you still have to pay tax. So, next question is, how much tax will you be paying? So, iba-iba kasi yan. It depends on which state kung nasan ka. It depends on how much you earn. So, guys, it varies by state. So, for example, when I had my internship in Nevada, wala kaming binayaran na state tax. So, the third question is, what will you be needing when you file your tax? Okay, so, guys, when you file a tax, ang pinakakailangan nyo is your DS-2019 form, your W-2 form. This is very important kasi yung kukopyahin nyo yung mga exact numbers na i-input nyo when you file your tax. Next is your passport, and then social security number. Next question naman, question number 4, what taxes do I need to pay? Okay, so when you file a tax, meron yung 4 types of taxes. First is yung federal tax, second, state tax, and then last is yung FICA. I'll be explaining it one by one para hindi kayo maguluhan. First, the federal tax. There are 7 federal income tax bracket, and your rate will depend on what your taxable income is. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung mga nasa baba na bracket kasi usually pag J1 visa holder ka, yung nasa pinakaunang marginal rate, which is 10%. Next is yung state tax. Like I said earlier, the rate that you pay varies kung nasa ang state kayo. So, depende yan. So, when you apply for J1 visa, you have to research and take a look kung how much yung nababawas na state tax sa inyo. Like I said, on my first internship, walang nababawasan kasi nasa Nevada ako nun. Next, for my second internship sa New York, around 4 to 8% yung nababawas na state tax. And lastly naman guys is yung local tax. So, local tax are the services that you pay na nagpo-provide sa community, sa local community nyo. Naman is yung FICA. So, as a J1 student, you shouldn't be charged for this. And if ever naman manyari to, you should ask for a refund. This is a tax to fund yung Social Security and Medicare. Usually, 3 lang yung babayaran dyan. Federal, state, and local tax. Next, your question number 5 is, when is the right time to file my tax? So, as long as you receive your W-2 form, you can file your tax. And like I said earlier, IRS extended the date when to file your tax. This will be until May 17, so may time pa kayo. Now, where can I file my tax and how? I found an easy platform where you can file your tax. What makes their company different from any other online platforms? If you will be using the J1 Summer Tax Back, you will be getting the biggest refund possible. When you use their platform when you file your tax, they also have a dedicated, high qualified tax experts where they can guide you. It is a very easy software and 100% guaranteed. So in this next slide, I'll be guiding you step by step para same page tayo, para hindi kayo nalilito. Just make sure naka-prepare na yung DS2019 nyo, yung passport, yung social security number, and yung W2 form nyo. Simply go to their website, j1summertaxback.com, and then here you'll see all the rates of their services. So when you scroll down, they have the IRS e-file. This is a system for submitting all your documents for IRS without the need of submitting it through a paper. They'll assist you in submitting it electronically. Then you can click the select the service here and start now. Next, select the process you would like to make on our platform. So let's select file my US non-resident taxes, which year you are doing this process for. Note, select just 1 year. So if you need to do this process for 2 years, you have to complete 1 year first and then enter the platform again and complete the other year because every year is different. Okay, so isa-isa lang ah. So if 2020 muna. So which program did you participate? Trainee. And so just key in your name. Now, once you click next, hi Daniela, thank you for using our services. So here, please select how you would like to file your US non-resident taxes. So they have Express. They will file all your taxes using their platform with a fee of $5 extra, or self-preparation. Pinakamadali yung Express, of course, but pwede din naman self-preparation. Ito yung pipiliin ko kasi maybe some of you would choose this self-preparation. So start now. So, US non-resident alien income tax return, tax year 2020, J1 visa. Which program did you participate in 2020? Trainee. So, select the process you would like to make on our platform. Okay, non-resident federal and state tax return. Just click this. So, state tax return. Where were you when you were having your internship? So, New York. Mark the forms you receive from your US employer. As a J1 visa, usually ito yung pinipili nila, form W2 form. So simply click that. And then all information you might need to have available before you start to file your tax return. So you need your W2, ito, as I said earlier, W2 form, Social Security, Passport, and DS2019. Just prepare these documents. Simply click agree and agree. Okay, next. So what's good about TaxBack is they help you verify if you're indeed a non-resident. So by verifying, you will be answering 2 tests, which are green card test and substantial present test. Green card test is if you are a permanent resident here in the US or you change your status to a green card to a permanent resident. Next is the substantial presence test. So they base it on the number of days that you stayed here in the US. Let's continue. So country of citizenship, Philippines, and then country that issued your passport, Philippines. Passport number. So, invento na lang tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! My gosh, bumukas yung pinto. Okay, let's continue. So, passport number. Of course, may kita nyo yun sa passport nyo. Passport issue day. So, invento na lang tayo. 0901. Pero may kita nyo to sa passport ha. Tingnan nyo lang. Passport expiration day. So now you can upload your passport. Next, you need to upload your DS2019 form. Have you ever applied to be a green card holder? No. Were you ever a US citizen? No. Were you ever a green card holder? No. So have you ever changed your visa type? No. Were you present in the US on December 31 of 2020? No. Select the years. Were you present in the US with F1, J1, M1, or Q1 visa? So let's select 2020. Give the number of days including vacation, non-work days, and partial days you were present in the US. For you to be able to answer this ng mas madali, they have a date calculator. Simply key in the date kung kailan kayo nandito sa US. So, then key in the date nung umalis kayo sa US. So here is the date calculation result. So, you've been here for 83 days. So, during 2018, 0. 2019, 0. Since nandito lang ako sa US ng 2020, this will be 183 days. Galing, no? Now, did you file a US income tax return for any prior year? Meaning, before ba daw nito is nag-file kayo ng tax? So, ako, no. So, date entered in the US. So, ako 06. Date deported US. Kailan kayo umalis ng US? Okay. So, here papakita kung ano yung residency status. So, I'm non-resident alien. I stayed in the US for 183 days. And then, click next. Okay, so here, filing status. Click single. Your first name. And then, middle initial. And then, just key in your last name, your identifying number, meaning your social security number. So, invento na lang tayo. Yeah. Date of birth. Alright. In case that the IRS wants to send you a paycheck for any document, where would you like to receive it? This could be your house in your country, your agency, or US address. Okay, if you have friends and may relatives kayo dito sa US, friends na you can trust, then you can indicate their US address. Pero kung wala naman, pwede din sa outside the US. But take note guys, pinaka madali sana if dito sa US. Kasi pagka outside the US, medyo may hirapan yung IRS na mag-send ng mga documents sa inyo. So, better sana if meron pa rin kayong address dito. So, since ako, meron pa, I'll key in my address. 5. Name of your travel agency. Mine was Placement International. Name of your sponsor. Mine was Intrax. At any time during 2020, did you receive, sell, send, exchange, or otherwise acquire any financial interest in any virtual currency? So, no. Did you have any dependents in the US? Example, son, daughter, adopted child? No. Alright, click next. So, here is your tax information. Ang maganda dito is meron kayong guide. Hindi ito yung kukopyahin nyo guys, sa guide nyo lang to. So, just grab your W-2 form. And then, sagutin muna natin to. All the companies that you worked for have to give you W-2 form. Did you receive a W-2 from all the companies? Yes. How many forms did you receive? Ako, isa lang. Alright. Did you work in more than one state? Ako, I only work sa one state. Ito, depende to guys kasi some J1 interns, may possibility na malipat sila sa ibang state. For example, nag-work ka sa Hyatt Hotel. Diba madami namang Hyatt Hotel sa iba-ibang state ng US. So, may possibility, may chance na ilipat kayo ng chef or ilipat kayo ng company. So, since ako, dito lang ako. So, no, I just work at one state. Okay, next. Yan, lalagay na natin yung W2 form nyo. So, here, kukopihin ko lang yung nasa taas ha. So, box C. Here is the box C, employer's name, which is Six Flags. So, yun yung itatype ko dito. Six Flags. Next is box B, is the employer's identification number, 32145. Next is box number 1, wages, salaries. Wages, tips, and other compensation, $8,500. Box number 2 is federal. Box number 2, total federal, $900. Box number 4, social security tax, $350. Box number 6 is Medicare tax. Dito naman siya, which is $300. So, box number 17, total state tax withheld, which is $500. And then box number 19 naman is local tax. Dito nyo siya makikita, $0. After that, you can now upload your W-2 form, which they will deliver it to IRS. They will send it to IRS. Okay, now and then now you can click next. So, estimated federal non-resident tax. Daniela, congratulations, you will receive a tax refund. Dito makikita nyo na yung kung how much yung tax refund nyo na makukuha. Ito, example lang to ha. So, for my federal tax refund is $100. And then, estimated tax is $0 to $500. Your FICA tax refund is $650. Okay, then now you can click next. US bank account. If you do not have a US bank account, then kung meron naman kayong relatives dito sa US, you can use their bank account or bank account. Routing number. Yan. Mag-imbento na lang tayo. 789. Checking myself. Alright, you can click next. So, if the IRS sent you an identity protection PIN, key in the PIN. If wala naman, you can also leave it blank. Here as well, pwede nyong iwanan na blank. Now, provide your phone number. Please enter your email address and then your signature. Alright, next. Okay, here is the payment section. Last name. Country of residence, Philippines. Email. So here are the products. Just put check mark in each box. So your total is $100. Now, this is the most exciting part. You can key in my enter coupon code. Ito na yung pinili kong pinakamadali para maalala nyo, para di nyo makalimutan. 4 letters lang yan, DANI. Now, click apply. Coupon is valid. So, instead of $100, $90 na lang yung mababawas. Now, this is the credit card details. Once na nalagay nyo na yung credit card details, you may click submit and then ipaprocess na nila yung tax return nyo. So, that's it. Sobrang dali lang, sobrang bilis lang, diba? You have successfully used our platform to file your tax return. So, these are all the information. Makukuha nyo yan. Just check your email after nyo mag-file. Sisend nila lahat yan. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. Again, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!